Hey guys, it is time to unbox the makeup and skincare mix that we have going here. Okay, we've got Pixie by Petra toner. I didn't care for this toner, so I'm gonna donate this. Set it over there. Okay, we have Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer. I actually had this before, and I do like it. Okay, it's sealed. Always nice to check that. These aren't usually sealed. Oh, it is sealed. Okay, good. So this I'll keep. What I'm keeping, I'll just put back in the bag. It'll be easier. All right, next. Josie Marin Body Butter Vanilla by Bez. Vanilla and Juniper. So I'll put this on my legs tonight. Tell you how it goes. Josie Marin's a good brand. All right, next up, we've got Checks and Balances Face Wash. Oh, from Origins. Okay. All right. Oh, that smells good. It smells clean. I can't quite. I almost think there's a little cucumber or something. Let me see. It doesn't say. And I've got a Lancome mascara. This is Monsieur Big, which is Alexandria Ryan's favorite, by the way. So this one I'm not donating because I'm interested to see how well it works. Trash it here. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Definitely want to try that because she loves this stuff. She pays through the nose for it, so. This is the Falsies Surreal by Maybelline, also mascara, but I'm gonna donate this one. Very similar wand. This one's going in the donate pile because I have so many mascaras. Okay, next up we have an Ulta Gloss Stick. I believe, ooh, that's pretty. This yeah, this is lips. And I do like it, actually. I like that color. I'm not a big Ulta fan in terms of the quality of their products, but yeah, that's nice. Okay, this is e.l.f. Skin 30 SPF Sun Touchable primer. This one has like a glow. Oh, it's sealed. If I'm looking at this, it might be right for me. So. But that's what it is. I have other e.l.f. primers. This is Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Okay, Mega Babe is decent, but I'm not gonna wear it. I'm not gonna use charcoal under my arms. I use it on my hair, so I'm gonna donate that. And what's the next one? Oh, this is Drunk Elephant Mellow Marula Cream Cleanser. Okay. I do like that everything is sealed, and Drunk Elephant is a decent name, and this is a decent size. Usually with Drunk Elephant, you get a little foil packet. This is a decent size. It's 15 mils, or half an ounce. So, actually we kept most of it, which is great. We only donated 3 items. I say only, but that's a good thing. So, put these 3 items in there. What I don't want to happen is the mascara to run out of time to be used before I get to it. Next time I do my makeup, I will use the Monsieur Big and let you know what I think. So these 3 will go. Now, the reason that I'm donating this, even though I kind of like Pixie by Petra, I found the last one I had of these to be very astringent on my skin. It was rough. And everyone is different. But this toner is rough on the skin for me, because I have very sensitive skin. So, and I do use charcoal in my hair, but under my arms it just seems a little weird to me personally. Other people might like it, and there's nothing wrong with the Maybelline mascara. Like I said, I just have too many. So I will see you for the wrestling video on the wrestling channel. Hopefully you'll join me over there. And I will see you on this channel tomorrow. Bye guys, God bless you.